So today we're going to talk about baby gifts. So whenever you're thinking about baby gifts, you want to think about what kind of gift you want to give. Do you want it to be a functional gift, something that's practical and functional? Do you want it to be more of a keepsake item that they're going to cherish? Or do you want it to just be fun and sweet and happy, like just for the occasion? I'm going to show you some great products in each of those categories. So for the keepsake items, the items I would recommend for a great keepsake or sentimental gift for a new baby, it would definitely be the baby Bibles. We've got the little tiny New Testaments in pink and blue, but then this is a newer one that's been very popular. This is actually a Bible with a really pretty hand-stitched cover there that goes on top of it. So that's been a great seller. Any of the baby jewelry has been a great seller as well. And then finally, this is new as well. It's the handprint. So baby's first handprint kit. It's really easy to use, and so they can definitely keep that and cherish it forever. Also, this has been really popular. Feeding sets have been popular for baby gifts. So we've got Golden Rabbit. It comes in a pink and a blue. And Golden Rabbit is great because it's enamelware. So this is something that you can really treasure and you're not gonna have to worry about it breaking. So it comes with a plate, a bowl with a lid, and a cute little sauce or a cute little cup there. So that's Golden Rabbit. So those are great options for keepsake gifts. If somebody wants to come in and get a sentimental sort of gift for someone, that's where we would recommend that you go. If you're thinking about function, you want to get something that mom or baby's going to use and they're going to appreciate, I'm going to show you a couple of things there. First of all, Noodle and Boo is a wonderful skincare line designed especially for infants. In fact, some adults do use the super soft lotion. It is great, but it is designed for babies in particular. This is the new laundry detergent. It's all super safe for their skin. That's been a great one. The second functional gift that we sell the most of are these high chairs. So these are high chairs that obviously your baby can fit in. They do fold up like a camping chair though, so that's why people really like them. It makes a great way to entertain and have your baby out at football games or baseball games or out at the lake even. So we've sold a ton of those. And then finally over here, the activity scarf. We have sold a ton of these activity scarves, and this is something that the mom actually wears. So what you're gonna do is put this around your neck. That way your baby has lots of things to entertain themselves with. They rattle, there's a mirror, there's things that they can, you don't have to worry about them putting your necklace in their mouths. They can put these things in their mouths. And then of course having the scarf will help with any sort of slobber or anything like that you may encounter as a mom. These have been actually our #1 baby shower gift. So this is something that's been a great seller for that. Super practical and functional. Finally, if you want to do apparel that's functional, this is a new line we started carrying. It's called Magnetic Knee. Now, this is super soft, but the thing that we love about it and moms love about it is that it's all magnetic. So whenever you're changing those diapers or trying to get your baby in and out of different onesies, the magnets just snap right back into place and you don't have to worry about zippers or buttons. So Magnetic Knee is a new line. We just started carrying it this year and we sell it all the time for baby gifts. So that's a great functional apparel piece for a baby. And then finally, if you just want to do something that's fun and whimsical and celebrates the fact that there's a new baby in the house, any of our Jelly Cat is a great go-to gift. We have soft books up here for babies. We've got any of our plush animals. And then a lot of times you'll have a book and a Jelly Cat, a stuffed animal that matches it. So you've got a unicorn and the magical unicorn dreams. So those are great options for just a good, happy gift. And if you want to kind of look around the wall, we've got lots of different frame options. This is a new company as well that does quotes, and I think this would be beautiful in a nursery, girl or boy. I think that's a great gift. I know that lovies are also a top seller in that category, so it's just something that's a good little gift that the baby actually uses and really likes. We've got lovies here, we've got some over here, and then this cute little blankie has been a popular request from moms. It's just a good size to fit to fit into a car seat or something like that with a baby too. So if somebody that you know and love has just had a baby, or you're in need of a baby shower gift, just come here to the store and we can certainly help you out with that. In fact, we also do baby registries. So it just might happen that the person you're shopping for is already registered right here at Magnolias.